Today we are going to learn how to find the gradient if the line of equation is given to us. If we remember correctly, that the format for the line of equation is y is equal to mx plus c. So we can see that right next to x there is m, which is known as to be the gradient. So whatever the equation is given to us, we would see what is right next to the x. For example, the equation given to x is y is equal to 4x plus 2. So if we have to find the gradient, what is the gradient in this equation? So we just have to look what is right next to the x. So we can see the 4 is right next to x, which is should be the gradient here. So m is equal to 4. M is also known as gradient. Let's try another example. Y is equal to 5 minus 3x. Okay, so the common mistake is that by looking at this format, we always assume that the first value would always be the gradient, but that's not the case. We have to be sure that the value with x is the gradient, not the first one is the gradient, but the value right next to the x is the gradient. So in this case, the gradient is minus 3. So keep in mind that we have to be sure about the sign. So m is equal to minus 3 in this case.